guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. Today we finally got the video done, the famous pedal commander guys installation. I'm actually going to show you guys. The first part is going to be how to take it out, and then the second part is going to be the installation. It's all going to be one video. The reason why I decided to do the first installation is just because the day before I went to Borla, I dropped off the car at Borla, they asked me, to put the car back in stock performance-wise, the intake, the pedal commander, just because so you guys can actually hear how the Camry was gonna sound on the stock base. So I did the first part of the video, it's how to take it out, and then the second part is pretty much the installation. It's all gonna be in this part. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and just alrighty fam. So for anyone who don't know how to install the pedal commander, we're actually gonna be doing a video. So I have to uninstall it right now. Let's see if I, oh, there it is. Beautiful flashlight. Big shout out to my wifey. So this is so this is the, I'm putting on the pedal. Follow the pedal. Follow the pedal. Let's see if I can see it with the camera. It might take a couple seconds until I find it. What exactly is it? Oh, I found it. Could it be possible? Is it there? And I saw it with my eyes already. Oh, there it is. God damn. So you guys see that little cable over here? Let me get my hand in there. It's a little bit difficult to get in here. So that's the pedal. And that cable that you guys see, I cannot get my finger in there. So the view might not be the best, fam. I apologize for that. So this little cable, this one over here. I can't point to this really rough right here. But yeah, that one over there. This is the pedal, and this one, that one. Just unclicks and clicks. Is it easy? Yeah, it is. That one over here, fam. Let me just point it. That one over there. This one, which you guys will see in a second right now when I take it out. I won't lie, sometimes I do feel very, very old. Take this out. Got my XSC emblem in there. Put it here. Got my blades for my sticker, the key, the storage. I should take it back. So, as you guys know, we'll run this through here. Not moving any cable, anything. I think it's easier to move it through there. I don't want to attach it to some random place and just do a hole and damage the leather. I think that's pretty smart. But I mean, if you guys want to do that, up to you guys. Take this out right here. Alright fam, so I just pull it out. Comes out real simple. I prefer putting it here. Got a little case there instead of just drilling a hole and messing up the the leather, the nice car. I don't want to do unnecessary holes. Alrighty, so I have disconnected from the pedal, and this is pretty much the original cable that connects to the pedal commander, this is why it's like a Y, and this one goes into the pedal, that one goes into the cable of the pedal. So pretty simple. I mean, like always, the aftermarket parts are very easy to take out and put in. The stock part, it was actually the stock clip was actually the hard part to take out, which now I'm pretty sure it should be more easier. But okay there, fam. Alrighty, so I have disconnected the original part. Like I said, it was definitely harder. There's a pedal commander cable, and now we're just gonna connect the regular stock pedal cable to the pedal, which should be right here. Once again, I don't know if I'm able to do this with one hand and still be recording. We'll see right now. Now, why install a pedal commander? Why do a pedal commander? Pedal commander is just extra sport mode, extra sensibility to the pedal. Pretty much is what it is. I don't know if it goes like this. Nope, I saw it now, the cable. There you go. Alright guys, so we're almost done. You guys can see it right there. You're gonna hear the click right now. It's gonna hear the click. Click, and it should be good. Back to stock pedal. We'll test it out now with just the intake. Alright guys, please bear with me. It was really hard to get under there just to do the video. I know the flashlight, the lighting, I try to make the best out of it. There is one cable that connects, connects to the pedal, the stock cable, and pretty much the pedal commander comes with two cables, the plug and play ones. The one that connects to the cable that goes to the pedal, and the one that goes straight to the pedal. And then pretty much you have your pedal commander, you can just run the cables through. I'll show you guys right now. So how to install it? This is pretty much like a plug and play. This one goes on your pedal, and this one goes on the cable that goes to your pedal. On this installation video, you guys will see more details, so you guys can keep track on that. And I'm just gonna put this on, and yeah, you guys can just follow how to uninstall your pedal commander, and it shows way more details. I actually went down there and shows you what cable to disconnect and all, so you guys will see that. So you guys see right here, actually have it right here. Run the cables under there, and then just put it right here, nice and easy. What I do recommend is putting your seat all the way to the back, so you have more space. You don't actually have to take anything out. You can just do it from here, and then reach the cables from there. Nice and simple. I will be putting the info of the pedal commander on the description down below. Pretty much what it does not give you HP, it doesn't give you more horsepower, it just takes away the lag. Somehow the Camry, not just this car, mostly the stock cars, does have a little lag, and just ours was something that I forgot about it. What I mean by lag, I mean the pedal. Usually when you step on it, people say like, oh, just you have to have the steel boots and just step on it, and then it'll be the same thing. It is a different feeling. I tried it. I was trying to get a video. I ran out of memory, a whole thing, but I literally just I saw the difference. Even with the intake on, it was a big difference. The pedal was just so sensitive. It was pretty much like if you already have sport mode, you'll still feel it. If you don't have sport mode, you're gonna feel like you have sport mode, even better than the sport mode, to be honest. It's crazy how sensitive and how everything changes. It does not mess up your computer, your ECU, whatever you guys keep asking about it. It does not mess nothing up with that. This is just for sensibility of the pedal. It won't damage anything. From what I know, and I ask around, in the long run, maybe like in I don't know 100,000 miles or something, anything you add on your car to go fast, to make noise, not to make noise, to go fast, you gotta think, you gotta know that you are cutting your engine's life. I'm not saying the pedal commander is bad. No, so far I've seen people going over 100,000 miles and they're still running good, perfectly. I'm just giving how do you call it? I'm just saying, I'm just letting you guys know like a little theory, just like getting a turbo on a car, adding a supercharger and everything. Yeah, it does help with the, the environment, all this stuff, whatever that is, with the superchargers and the turbo, the lag and everything. But you guys need to know that once you make your car faster, whatever you do, you gotta think that your engine's life is cutting. The car was built a proper way for a reason. It was, been through like how many engineers for the car to run, not just the engine, but also the body style and everything. I personally have an intake and a pedal commander, as you guys know, and so far no issues. Other car I passed, I think almost close to 40K, no issues. Friends that have it over 100,000 miles, no issues. So I can assure and recommend this. Like I always say, I always recommend the great quality, the great customer service, and the great prices. And this one is actually pretty worth it. You guys will see the difference. I seen a couple comments that once you have an intake, you don't need it. I still feel the lag with the intake. It was cold, it was nighttime, it wasn't hot, like, oh, the intake. No, I still felt the difference, guys. So I'm just letting you know, it takes away the lag of the pedal. It'll be sensitive. You guys will feel, once you guys step on that, you guys will definitely feel like you have more horsepower, like, oh my god, like, whoa, what happened? You are gonna feel it, even on the takeoff, on Sport Plus. I will get to a video how to use it, how to properly use it, when to use it. I usually always keep it on Sport Plus +4, but there are ways to properly, so every time you step on it, you don't go back, Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. If you got any questions, don't forget to comment down below. If I don't get back to you guys, just remember to reach out my Instagram. I always get back to them probably in a couple days. My wedding is coming, guys, so I got little short time to do the 2 more videos that I have to upload, so I'm gonna try to do it all because of you guys. Big love to all of you guys. Huge shout out to each one of you guys because we passed 900 subscribers. It's a big thing for me, guys. We're this close to 1,000, to the goal of every YouTuber. So thank you guys for everything. I do appreciate the love, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Like I always say, it's not just about the car, so stay sexy. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next video. We are going to be talking about what I did on the car, all the photos, why the car was gone for another week. We're going to be talking about the coilovers. Big shout out to Megan Racing, to the homie Brian and Nelson. They helped me out with my coilovers. I do appreciate them, from Megan Racing. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next video, because it's something that I'm pretty sure everyone here that are new to lowering the car needs to know, and how they work, and pretty much most of the info that I learned from them, and they have shared with me. So stay tuned guys for next video. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on